Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, if my energy seems a little bit low, it's because I'm recovering from an illness. So yeah, but I wanted to react to this trailer because it's raining romance in Bollywood. It's raining romance in Bollywood. One after the other, we're getting romantic films. I am so happy. I'm really happy. So we have the official trailer of Param Sundari. They have released two songs. I love both the songs, but Pardesiya is definitely something which is on loop right now because Sonu Nigam, his voice is just so heavenly. Anyway, beside that, I'm excited for the trailer. Yeah, Siddharth Malhotra and Janhvi Kapoor. The chemistry looks very sizzling, at least in the songs, but I'm excited to see what the story is going to be about. Let's see what context we get. So let's watch the trailer right away.
वैसे मैं तो थोड़े मस्ती वाले कन्फेशन एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था। वैसे तुमने कभी चर्च में
छी, एक बार कॉलेज स्टाफ रूम में किया था, सिर्फ किस। तुमने भी ऐसा कुछ नॉटी किया?
हाँ, टेनिस कोर्ट में, बुर्ज खलीफा की बालकनी में, एक बार गाड़ी में और
समझ गई। किस लड़की को कैसे फंसाना है सब पता होगा।
क्यों? तुम फंस रही हो?
परदेसिया है तेरे प्यार।
इस दुनिया में 810 करोड़ लोग हैं, लेकिन सच्चा प्यार एक ही से होता है। बस यही मेरी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है।
मैं तेंकपट्ट सुंदरी दामोदरम पिल्लाई, केरला से।
हाय, मैं हूँ परम सचदेव, दिल्ली से। हमने यहाँ बुकिंग की है।
वेलकम, कम।
सुंदरी, यहाँ पे मच्छर बहुत है।
खिड़की बंद रखो।
तो ये व्यू कैसे देखूंगा?
तो फिर खुला रखो।
मलेरिया हो गया तो?
मलेरिया के मच्छर सिर्फ रात को काटते हैं।
दिन में क्या करूँगा?
मार दो। गुड एंटरटेनमेंट।
The visuals are going to be epic because Kerala is beautiful.
तो तुम्हें हार कर भी लोगों का दिल जीतना आता है, हाँ?
हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं। नहीं देखी? मलयालम में डब हुई थी ना?
तुम हो मेरे जानता हूँ मगर
Oh, this song is so beautiful.
तुम तक ये कैसे खबर?
Oof.
कब से हूँ मैं उम्मीद में है अनकहा जो
घटिया इंसान हो यार तुम। सबके फीलिंग्स के साथ खेला, शर्म नहीं आती क्या तुम्हें?
क्या घटा है ब्रो? अरे केला।
गोलियां चल गई, चुरियां चल गई, सारे शहर की कुड़ियां चल गई, सबका हाल भी तेरे कंट्रोल में जाने मन।
So I'm guessing he comes for a vacation there.
भाग लो वरना मारे जाओगे।
हीर रांझा का रांझा भी तो मरा था।
हीर भी तो साथ में मरी थी, मनु नहीं।
हाँ, तो तुम मानते हो तो मेरे हीरो।
लाल कलर की साड़ी में कुड़िए तू डेंजर लगती है।
And then he falls in love with her,
कलर की
probably.
साड़ी में कुड़िए तू डेंजर लगती है। उफ तेरा देख के मुन्ने आधी जान सुलगती है।
रजनीकांत तमिल सुपरस्टार है।
अरे है तो साउथ ही ना।
इट्स इंडिया, केरला मलयालम मोहनलाल, तमिलनाडु तमिल रजनीकांत, आंध्रा तेलुगु अल्लू अर्जुन, कर्नाटका कन्नड़ा यश। तुम्हारे लिए हर साउथ इंडियन मद्रास, ब्लडी नॉर्थ इंडियंस, ignorant, illiterate, arrogant entitled, bloody Tinka!
But it does happen, you know. It has been happening that way, na, that you club. I mean, in North also there's so many states, but it's like North and South. It just clubs everything together, right? But visually, this film, I just know for a fact is going to be so freaking stunning because obviously they're going to show Kerala. And Kerala, I have visited Kerala 4 times in my entirety of my life till now. And it is one of the most beautiful and stunning places to visit. I mean, it is just one of my best trips in India, within India. One of my best holiday destinations is definitely Kerala, and I recommend visiting Kerala. And you cannot finish like it in one trip. You have to go multiple times. So, and I still haven't seen the whole of Kerala, but I know this is going to be so freaking stunning on screen. And then again, like I said in the beginning, I'm so happy that we are finally getting one by one all these romantic films now, because I have been saying this constantly that there has been a dearth of romance in Bollywood, because someone who's a millennial who has grown up watching Hindi cinema majorly, it has been majorly romantic movies. So in front of my eyes, I've seen a decline of those movies, and it's just great to see that we are getting that romance flavor back in Bollywood. Because here, pairing wise, I think both of them look really great. They're obviously, both of them are extremely good looking people, so there's no denying that. But when I was talking about the chemistry a little bit in the beginning, in both the songs Pardesiya and Bhigi Sari, I love both the songs, but their chemistry was quite sizzling. And from this trailer also, I can see that they're going to have this fun banter with each other, and obviously they're going to have this sizzling chemistry as well. And even the songs that have been released, they are quite good. So I am actually getting a lot of positive vibes from this film overall. And also, let me just see the director. I actually forgot to see who the director is. Tushar Jalota. Okay, I'm not really, like, this name is not clicking, but I'll just find out who he is. So yeah, I think this kind of storyline where there is a very stark difference in culture. We have seen such movies in Bollywood a lot with like two states. The protagonist is from north, one protagonist is from north, one is from south. And if executed well, this actually becomes a very interesting plot point, because the culture is a little bit different, right? In different parts of our country. It's not just north and south, which is predominantly what is shown here, but I'm saying, everywhere in our country, if you see, every state has its own culture, its own rituals, different languages. So if you are solely, making a film based on the cultures of two protagonists, if executed well, I think it can bring out so many beautiful things. It can bring out an awareness also that, okay, this is the lifestyle, and this is the lifestyle of one person, this is the lifestyle of other person. And yes, there can be difference of opinions, but when the cultures are merged together, it can be also something very beautiful. So I feel that those themes are something that our industry generally should explore, because our country is so diverse that way, right? But yeah, execution matters for sure. So yeah, this movie is releasing end of this month, and I hope again this adds up to the success of romance and that flame of romance that has ignited Bollywood again. I hope that streak continues with this film, hoping that it's executed well and it does well. Let's see. Good luck to the makers. And yeah, I'm gonna sign off now. Again, sorry for my low energy, because I'm not really well, but yeah, I will sign off now, and I will see you soon on the next video. Bye.